Hello students, in this video we will take a third example of operator overloading and we understand the concept by using a practical approach. Okay, so we are taking a real-time example. So in a real life, if a person has two wallets, the total money is the sum of the money in both wallets. So we can use our operator overloading to add two wallets object using the plus operator. Okay, so first we have to design a class name wallet. Okay, so in this case, in a practical approach, in this case, a wallet is a user-defined data type. Okay, and now we want to initialize some amount in a wallet because if we have two different wallets, then definitely in both the wallets we have some money. Okay, so here we take money as a instance variable. Okay, and we know that in Python, if we want to initialize instance variable, so for that we have init function. Okay, so we have to use init function in this case. So and with the help of init function, we want to initialize some amount. Okay, we want to initialize some amount. Okay, so here we use like self dot money. So here the money is the reference variable and in money we have to assign some amount. Okay, like that. Okay, now we want to add the money in two different wallets. So for that first we have to overload plus plus operator. Okay, and we want to return self dot money because we want to calculate the money in two different wallets. Means first we have to create two different object of wallet and we want to add the money. So for that we have to return here self dot money plus other dot money. Now it's perfect fine. Okay, and yes, now we want to now first we create the object. Okay, instance of wallet. So we have to create two instances. First one is w1. First one is w1 and it is an instance of wallets, and inside this we have to pass some amount like 500 or 5000. Now we have to create a second instance. Okay, that is w2. So that is the second instance of wallet, and in this we have 6000 rupees. And now we want the total amount. Okay, so first we have to make one reference with name total money. So to here the total money is the reference and we want to calculate the money. So for that we have to write like this, like w1 plus w2 simply. Okay, so actually if we not overload that operator, then definitely we will get error because in the backend there is no code to add the two wallet objects. Okay, but we actually overload that that add operator. We overload that plus operator, and that is the reason we will not get any error in this case. Okay, and if you run the program, see the output. Okay, so actually we want to print it first. So for that, okay, can directly print without making any reference. So we simply use print w1 plus w2. That's perfectly work and see the output. It will return 11,000 as an output, and that is actually the beauty of overloading. Okay, so if you want to overload any of the operator like plus, minus, multiplication, division, so all are applicable. Okay, with the help of operator overloading, you can overload anything, any type of operator. Okay, so that is actually the operator overloading. Thank you.